Hey guys, I have another book haul. I didn't expect to have one so soon, but it's Kate's birthday on Sunday, and I was like, oh, I need to go to like Big W to get like some stuff for him, so I'm gonna go there. And I went there and got nothing for him, but came out with like 5 books, so girl math kind of. Anyway, let me show you what I got. So the first one is this from Lisa Jewell. This is called None of This Is True. It says 2 very different women. I actually didn't even really read any of like this. I just saw 2 very different women who meet by chance in a restaurant, discover their birthday twins. And then I was like, yeah. I like Lisa Jewell's books, so it says a few days later they meet again. Alex is a podcaster and Josie persuades her to feature her on her new series. She tells Alex on the She tells Alex on the cusp of great changes in her life. Alex agrees to do a trial interview with Josie. Josie's past appears to be strange and complicated, but although Alex finds her unsettling, she can't quite resist the temptation to keep digging and keep recording. It soon becomes apparent that Josie has been hiding some very dark secrets, and before Alex knows it, Josie has inveigled her way into Alex's life and into her home. And it says, which is when Alex realises that she and her family are in more danger than she ever thought possible. So, I'm really excited for that one. Next, I chose The Co-Worker from Frida. I've heard good things about this as well. It just says, 2 women, an office filled with secrets, 1 terrible crime that can't be taken back. Dawn Shift is strange. At least everyone thinks so at Vixt, the nutritional supplement company where Dawn works as an accountant. She never says the right thing, she has no friends, and she was always at her desk at precisely 8:45 a.m. So when Dawn doesn't show up to the office one morning, her co-worker Natalie Farrell, beautiful popular top sales rep 5 years running, is surprised. Then she receives an unsettling anonymous phone call that changes everything. Turns out Dawn wasn't just an awkward outsider, she was being targeted by someone close, and now Natalie is irrevocably tied to Dawn as she finds herself caught in a twisted game of cat and mouse that leaves her wondering who's the real victim. But one thing is incredibly clear. Someone hated Dawn Schiff enough to kill. I've been loving Frida's books, so I just finished another one of hers today. I chose this one from Michael Robotham. It's called Good Girl, Bad Girl. One needs saving, the other needs justice. This is part of a series. It says, the girl with no past. 6 years ago, Evie Cormack was discovered filthy and half-starved, hiding in a secret room in the aftermath of a shocking crime. Now approaching adulthood, Evie is damaged, self-destructive, and has never revealed her true identity. And then it says, the boy who survived. Forensic psychologist Cyrus Haven, a man haunted by his own past, is investigating the death of champion figure skater Jodie Sheehan. When Cyrus is called upon to assess Evie, she threatens to disrupt the case and destroy his ordered life. Because Evie has a unique and dangerous gift, she knows when someone is lying and nobody is telling the truth. That sounds really good. I think this one has 4 books in the series, so I got another one from Frida. This is called The Perfect Son, and it says, Erica Cass has a perfect family, a perfect life. Until one quiet evening, 2 detectives show up at her front door. It says, Miss Cass, we were hoping your son could answer a few questions about the girl who disappeared last night. A high school girl has vanished from the quiet neighbourhood, and the police suspect the worst. Eric's teenage son, Liam, who was the last person to see the girl alive. Erica has always sensed something different in her seemingly perfect oldest child. He's charming, smart, and popular, but mothers have the best instincts, and Erica knows there's more to her son than meets the eye. She wants to believe he's innocent, but as evidence mounts, she can't deny the truth. Liam may have done the unthinkable. That actually sounds really good. And then the last one I got, I've just started reading. It's called Tell Me What Really Happened. It's by Chelsea Sodoti, I think. It says, there are stories about woods around Salvation Creek, about the people who have gone missing. Now their friend is one of them. It was all her idea. They would get away from their parents and spend the weekend camping down by Salvation Creek. Salvation? Yeah. The 5 of them would make small, steal kisses, share secrets, but around midnight she vanished. Now the 4 friends who came back are under suspicion, and they each have a very different story to tell about what happened in the woods. What are they hiding? Who is lying? Dark truths must come to light if their friend is to be found, dead or alive. The clock is ticking. So I've just started reading this one. This one's a bit weird, a bit different to what I've read, but It seems okay. Mind you, I could never be like a little narrator or like an audible person because I need to stop talking, and I've only read out the descriptions, like the blurbs, and I'm like, my voice is like going and anyway. Yeah, so I'm really excited. I cannot wait to read all of these. I still have this pile of books over here that I need to get through, but anyway, thank you guys for watching. Let me know any book recommendations that you have down below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!